What to watch, if you like.
Active pedophile. I didn't know where it would lead.
Yeah, baby. 9mm. And fresh.
What aren't you telling me? Security footage was captured 20 minutes prior to the hit and run.
Any question you'd ask to life.
You're top-notch officers.
They won't know what's hit them.
Success is measured by the strength of their friendship.
Be good to her, because if you break her heart, we'll break my baby!
I saw something weird. Quite busy, yeah.
It's about power and control. How the mighty have changed him.
We all got stuff inside us that we don't understand.
Is he ever just gonna...
Would do this. She was beaten that bad.
Not getting prepared.
Here is